Hello guys, welcome to my channel thenileshtech. In this video we are going to learn how we could copy directories. So in the last video we learned how to create files and directories, and now we will learn how to copy directories. Now let's focus on how you could copy the directories, and the reason we wanted to do that is because if we have some configuration files in a directory, it's better that you make a copy before you go in and modify it. So to do the copy of a directory, you use the same command cp. Yes, to copy a directory on Linux, you have to execute the cp command with the -r option or -r option for recursive, and specify the source and destination directories to be copied. For example, cp-r, the source folder that you are copying, and the destination where you are copying. And the -r needs to be used because if you don't use it, it will complain, hey, I cannot copy this because this is a directory. Alright, so let's go right into our Linux machine and we will run couple of commands so we could go through copying a directory. So first thing first, who am I? I'm logged in as myself. Which directory I am in? I am in my home directory. What's in my home directory? These are the files and directories that I have now for this practice. I'm going to create a new directory and I'm going to call it config, because as I said, most of the time you need to copy the entire directory. If it has configuration files, in case you make a mistake, then you could restore that configuration files from a directory. Alright, so configuration file directory has been created. Now let's go inside of this config file, cd config, and let's create configuration files in here. So let's say I wanted to create touch a.conf, b.conf, c.conf. Hit enter. Alright, so let's confirm ls-lrt. Okay, so it has 3 directories created. Now in which directory I am in? pwd. I am in home nkvale config directory. Okay, I could just type cd and hit enter. It will bring me back to my home directory. Now let's see, we have that config files ls-lrt, and here we go. Perfect. Now we need to copy this config file directory, so we will do cp. Now if we don't specify the -r option, let's see what happens. Config directory, where we try to copy it to temp directory, tmp. Now if you leave just temp like that, then it will take the same name of config and be copied over. But if you wanted to change the name of the destination directory, you can by putting /config-backup. So just put back. Now hit enter, and you are going to see that it's going to complain copy omitting directory config, because it thinks that you are trying to copy a file. So we have to let it know that I am not trying to copy a file, I am trying to copy a directory. So let's do -r here, -r, hit enter. Now we are doing config/temp and the new name of the directory. Alright, beautiful. We got our prompt back. It means it worked. How do we verify it? We can just go into cd/tmp temp and hit enter. Do ls-lrt, and here we go. Our directory is here. Now let's go inside of this config, cd config back, and do ls-lrt, and you will see all those 3 files that we created inside of that directory has been copied as well. So a recursive also indicates that the command that you are copying a directory, plus it's telling it to copy the subfolder in that directory and the subfiles or the files within that subfolder. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you understand how to copy a directory from one location to another. In the next video, we will learn the most important commands, which is find and locate. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe. We have started a Linux series from basic to advanced for beginners as well as experienced. Okay, we will see you in the next video.